Welcome to Peaceful Meditation. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Now, before we begin, I want you to pause for a moment and tell me, where are you joining from today? Comment below and let me know. And if you're ready to embark on a journey within, simply type, I am ready. Now, let's begin. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Allow your body to settle, your breath to soften, and your mind to quiet. You are here now, fully present, fully aware. Let your body melt into this moment. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be, just this space, just this breath. Breathe in deeply and exhale, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, more at ease, as you drift deeper into relaxation. Bring your awareness to the space beneath your feet. Feel a grounding energy here, like roots growing deep into the earth, anchoring you in stability and strength. Imagine these roots absorbing pure, nurturing energy, flowing upward into your body, filling you with warmth and security. Sense this connection, knowing that you are always supported. Affirm to yourself, I am grounded, I am safe, I am here. Now, shift your awareness to the base of your spine. Visualize a warm, rich red light glowing at your root chakra. This is your foundation, your source of stability and security. Allow this energy to expand, filling your entire being with a deep sense of peace and belonging. With each inhale, this red light grows stronger, more vibrant, reinforcing your connection to the earth. Moving upward, bring your awareness just below the navel. Here, you find a radiant orange light, the center of your creativity and passion. Feel this energy swirl, awakening your inner joy and inspiration. Imagine this light pulsating gently, a steady rhythm of creative flow. Affirm, I am creative, I am passionate, I am free. Now, travel higher to your solar plexus. Just above the navel, a golden, shimmering sun radiates from within you, pulsing with confidence and strength. This is your personal power, your inner fire. Feel it ignite, radiating warmth through every cell in your body. This light reminds you of your limitless potential, your ability to create and manifest your desires. Affirm, I am strong, I am powerful, I am limitless. Shift your focus to the center of your chest, your heart space. A beautiful green light glows here, surrounded by soft pink and pearlescent white. This is the energy of love. Love for yourself, love for others, love for all that is, feel this warmth expand, filling you with peace and compassion. With every breath, let this light grow, surrounding you in an aura of unconditional love. Affirm, I am love, I am open, I am connected. Now, allow your awareness to rise to your throat. A luminous sky blue light radiates here, the center of your truth and self-expression. Feel the power of your words, the beauty of your voice. Imagine this energy clearing any blockages, allowing your words to flow freely, authentically. Affirm, I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. Gently shift your awareness to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye. A deep indigo light glows here, expanding your intuition and inner wisdom. This is the seat of your insight, your ability to see beyond the physical. Feel this energy awakening, sharpening your inner vision, guiding you toward deeper understanding. Affirm, I trust my intuition. I see clearly. I am aware. Finally, bring your focus to the top of your head, your crown chakra. A radiant white lotus unfolds, shimmering with divine energy. This is your connection to the universe, to higher consciousness. Feel this divine light flow through you, filling you with peace and enlightenment. Imagine this light extending upward, connecting you to the infinite cosmos. Affirm, I am one with the universe. I am infinite. I am whole. Rest in this energy for as long as you desire. Feel the harmony within you, the balance of all that you are. Let yourself bathe in this peaceful state, absorbing its essence fully. With each breath, integrate this alignment into your being, knowing that you can return to this space whenever you need. And when you're ready, begin to bring awareness back to your body. Feel the ground beneath you, the air around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this peace with you. If this meditation resonated with you, let me know in the comments. What part of the journey did you feel the most? I'd love to hear your experience.